Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are keep uploading videos on daily basis. So kindly follow our channel. So today our topic is how to remove user from Asana. So this is very simple. Just follow all these steps to complete this task. So first of all, you can see this is the main interface of Asana, and we have multiple options available here, but we will go on left side. You can see under the my workspace our task YouTube automation. So we just open it. Now you can see this is the new tab, and we will now click on the share button. Now new tab is appear. You can see there is members option available. Just click on here. There are 3 members. Now we want to remove this one. We will click on this, and now remove from this project. Now we will again click on this, remove from this projects. So in this way you can easily remove user from Asana.